You can even get a sundress if you want.
And I was looking at those earlier. I was in my style. Do I want to turn here?
You're right. Let's go slow. Take your time. Stay in the middle because if you hug the left, you won't see people. So you want to stay in the middle, go straight down. Really improving. That was nice. So I like downtown areas because they challenge drivers, whether it's the United States or the UK. It doesn't matter. We just want to keep getting better. We want to have a complete stop. Watch out for the old man on the e-bike over there. Good. Make your right turn. Turn on your blinker. Nice. Go slow. Turn now. Turn. Keep it short. That's a good turn. Yes, quality. Double yellow. Nice turn. Really improved. So you want to, after you stop, make a right. Good. Your blinker timing is A1. Have a complete stop.